Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be preparing a pizza using my very own homemade cheese. So if you want to learn how to make mozzarella cheese at home, you can check out my previous video. So kindly, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up. Well, come along. So in our recipe, I'll be using 2 cups of flour, and then I'll go in with a tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of yeast, and then I'll give it a quick mix. So I always have my dough when it's fluffy, so I add in an egg, a tablespoon of cooking oil. I have some full cream milk. So I'll give my dough a quick mix. Then go in with the milk. Actually, the egg and the milk are optional. You can just add in water. And then transfer our dough onto the table. So I'll just dust it with some flour. So I'll just put it back and then cover it and let it sit for 30 minutes. So while that one is going, I'll go ahead and prepare my tomatoes. I don't have very ripe tomatoes. And then I'll put them in hot water. So I just squeeze my tomatoes. I'll then go in with my tomatoes. And then a tablespoon of sugar, pinch of salt, as black pepper. Well, our tomatoes are ready. After about 3 days, it's time to use our cheese. So you can see it's still very good and intact. So I'll go ahead and grate it. I find it easier to use this way. Shredded mozzarella cheese. Shredded and ready for use. Well, our oven is getting ready, as you can see. So we are waiting for it to reach the desired temperature. Before using it. Well, our dough is ready. So I'll be using this saucepan cover. So since our pan is small, I've had to remove part of it. So with the pizza, I prefer spreading it with my hands instead of using a rolling pin. So I'll then sprinkle some oil. Using a fork, I'll put some holes because I don't want it to expand when it's baking. And then I'll go ahead and pour the pizza sauce, the one that we made. So I want my pizza to be cheesy, so I'll first add some cheese. And then I'll go on with our shredded chicken. So this was pre-cooked chicken. It was actually leftover chicken. That's why I didn't need to fry it again. We just shredded it, and there we go. And then I'll add cheese. And then lastly, I'll top it up with some green pepper, some red bell pepper, some yellow bell pepper, and then some onion. So it's time for baking our pizza. So it's baking time, and our oven is ready. And then I'll put the cover. Well, it's time to check on our pizza. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Nice. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly please share this video to your friends and family. See you in the next one. Ciao.